Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically mark articles as read on Feedly. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and mark articles as read on Feedly. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now by default, Feedly actually already does this. So if I open up this article right over here, notice how I can still mark it as read if I highlight that article. But if I open up this article and then scroll through it, all right, and then exit off, you'll see that it's automatically marked as read. So actually, how do you actually enable that? Now the way to do that is that on the upper left hand corner, you want to click on your name and the Feedly, and then you want to click on settings. Next, you're going to click on mark as read. And then from here, you're going to navigate to where it says auto mark as read on scroll. So the prompt here is that should Feedly automatically mark articles as read when you scroll through them? So with that, I set it to full article views only, or you can set it to no. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and automatically mark articles as read when you scroll through them. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.